Money changes everything, but does it always change things for the better? The truth is, most people upgrade their lifestyle when they get rich, but very few upgrade themselves. And that's why, despite wealth, many still feel unfulfilled, lost, and even broke again. If you want to make your wealth last and truly enjoy it, you must make these essential upgrades when you get rich. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to apply these upgrades in your own life, ensuring that your journey to success is not only fruitful, but fulfilling. Number 1. From owning to controlling. Most people think getting rich means owning everything. The fancy cars, big mansions, and luxury watches. But the truly wealthy don't just own things, they control them. The rich play a different game. Instead of buying liabilities, they acquire assets that pay for their lifestyle. The middle class, on the other hand, spends all their money on things that own them back, like an overpriced house that drains their income through mortgages, taxes, and maintenance. A millionaire who owns a mansion and an exotic car but struggles to pay bills isn't really free. But a smart investor who controls millions in cash-flowing assets, even if they live modestly, has true financial power. Control beats ownership. Invest in cash-flowing assets before indulging in luxury. Number 2. From hard work to smart systems. Most new millionaires stay stuck in the hard work mentality. They think, if I just work harder, I'll make more. Wrong. The truly wealthy create systems that generate money without them. If your income stops when you stop working, you're not truly wealthy. You're just a high-paid worker. The 4-hour work week, Tim Ferriss exposes this trap. People grind 12+ hours a day, believing effort equals success, only to burn out and stay stuck trading time for money. The ultra-wealthy don't just work hard. They build systems that make money without their constant effort. A doctor earning $500K a year but working 80-hour weeks is still chained to the job. Compare that to an entrepreneur who sets up automated income streams, investments, businesses, or software that generate money even while they sleep. Instead of running a business, build a system so it runs itself. Invest in assets that generate income while you sleep. Use AI, automation, and delegation to multiply time. The moment you get rich, stop trading time for money. Build systems that make wealth work for you. The rich build teams, tools, and processes to multiply their efforts. Number 3. From busy to intentional. When you get rich, your biggest flex isn't money, it's time. Most people make the mistake of staying busy instead of being productive. They say yes to every meeting, every request, every pointless coffee chat, thinking it makes them important. Naval Ravikant says in the Almanac of Naval Ravikant, the most successful people say no to almost everything. Why? Because a cluttered calendar means a cluttered mind. If you're constantly drowning in obligations, you won't have the mental space to think big, innovate, or enjoy the wealth you've built. Rich people don't hustle 24/7. They build systems, delegate, and protect their time like gold. A CEO who micromanages every decision is just a highly paid employee. A true leader outsources, automates, and focuses only on high-impact decisions. Set hard boundaries. Keep your calendar open for high-impact work, but be too busy for time wasters. Hire an assistant, automate low-level tasks, and guard your thinking time like a billionaire. Wealth isn't just about having money. It's about having the freedom to use your time wisely. Number 4. Embracing convenience. Time is your most valuable asset. Invest in conveniences that eliminate mundane tasks and streamline your daily life. Whether it's private travel options or premium services that save time, prioritize efficiency. Access to education and personal growth resources, such as online courses and learning platforms, also falls under this category, enabling continuous self-improvement with ease. Convenience liberates time for meaningful pursuits and personal growth. Enhanced efficiency, reduced stress, and accelerated personal development through accessible resources. Number 5. Outsourcing household management. Delegate routine tasks like housekeeping to professionals, freeing time for activities that align with your goals and values. Subscription services for essentials ensure seamless supply management, optimizing efficiency, and reducing personal workload. These investments in convenience empower you to focus on strategic decisions and personal growth. Delegate to elevate. Leverage outsourcing for enhanced productivity and well-being, time savings, reduced stress, and increased focus on meaningful pursuits through effective household management. Number 6. Investing in your physical health. Your newfound wealth should enable you to enjoy life to the fullest, and physical health is the cornerstone of that enjoyment. Hiring a personal trainer ensures accountability and maximizes your fitness results, boosting your energy and overall well-being. Initially daunting, committing to fitness pays off as it becomes a sustainable part of your lifestyle, enhancing productivity and longevity. Start with commitment. Results will follow. Physical health amplifies every aspect of your life. Long-term health benefits and increased productivity are rewards for prioritizing physical fitness. Number 7. From being the star to owning the stage. The struggling actor who fights for roles? He's dependent on Hollywood's system. The producer who owns the movie rights? He makes money whether the film succeeds or flops. This is where most people go wrong. They focus on personal recognition instead of creating lasting influence. A platform owner like YouTube's CEO? He gets paid regardless of who's trending. Shift from working in the system to owning it. Instead of being the talent, own the brand, the company, or the platform. Create businesses, invest in assets, and build something that pays you even when you step away from the stage. True wealth isn't about being seen. It's about owning the machine that makes others visible. Number 8. Enhancing your personal image. Imagine this. You've made it big, but there's something about your appearance that nags at your confidence. Whether it's a smile you're not proud of or a skin condition that affects how you interact with others, fixing these can be life-changing. Research from the World Economic Forum highlights that attractive individuals tend to earn 15% more and progress faster in their careers. Investing in your physical appearance isn't just about vanity. It's an investment in your professional and personal success. Prioritize fixing what holds you back physically. Confidence and attractiveness open doors professionally and socially. Improved self-esteem and enhanced career opportunities await those who invest in their appearance wisely. Number 9. Your privacy. The moment you get rich, your biggest asset isn't just your money, it's your privacy. But most people make a deadly mistake. They flaunt their wealth, overshare their personal life, and invite unnecessary attention. The truly wealthy don't just make money, they control their narrative and disappear when needed. You'll never see billionaires constantly updating their location or posting their every move. Why? Because privacy is power. Set boundaries, surround yourself with trusted people, and never let the world know your next move. Wealth isn't just about financial freedom, it's about the freedom to live on your own terms, away from unnecessary noise. Number 10. Your family. Once you get rich, taking care of family isn't about flashy gifts, it's about lifting burdens. Your parents don't need luxury watches, they need peace of mind. Your siblings don't need designer clothes, they need a safety net. If your wealth doesn't improve the lives of the people who raised you, what's the point? Imagine paying off your parents' mortgage, covering a sibling's education, or funding better healthcare for a loved one. That's real impact. It's not about making them dependent on you, it's about giving them the same freedom you worked hard for. Be strategic, pay off debts quietly, set up investments in their name, and help them build financial literacy. Bring them along, but let them contribute to the experience. It's about connection, not control. At the end of the day, wealth should bring your family closer, not create distance. Start by prioritizing these essential investments in yourself and your surroundings. I believe that together, we can build a better, wealthier future. If this inspires you, like it, share with your closed ones so they can benefit from it too, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.